Hey Picasso-kun, guess what? I have a special letter for you.
What's that? Wow, I'm glad.
This letter is super cool because it's embossed.
How did you do that?
Well, if you look closely, you'll see the letters and hearts popping out of the paper. The good news is, we can make it too. Let's give it a try together. Let's have some fun. First, grab some cardboard and let's start cutting out fun shapes. You can stick the pieces onto paper to make your design really pop. You can use things like string and rubber bands, too. But don't use chopsticks or plastic bottle caps. They're too thick for this project. Now, cut your paper into any shape you like. You can draw lines first to guide you, or you can just cut freely. For shapes like fish eyes, make sure to cut them out carefully. If you just draw them, they won't pop out as much, so be careful. The best part is that the shapes we cut out will emboss the paper. Next, let's glue those cut-out shapes onto the drawing paper. Press them down really well so they don't come off. Now let's get really creative. You can add rubber bands for bubbles or string for jellyfish tentacles. We can even make rocks at the bottom of the sea using crumpled aluminum foil. Cut the foil just a little bigger than your picture. Glue stick that twists out. It'll help keep things neat and tidy. Now, let's glue the foil onto the paper. You can use the shiny or matte side. Glue the whole surface with no gaps. If the foil gets wrinkled, just rub it in the same direction to smooth it out. Once you've glued it on, gently press it down with your fingers. You'll start to see the embossed shapes appear. Now, flip over any bits of foil that are sticking out and glue them to the paper to make everything look perfect. Want to make it even cooler? Stick it onto the back of some colorful paper. You can also use this on the front of a notebook cover. You can use origami paper or paper flowers to emboss too. So many options. Thanks for joining me today. If you had fun, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun craft ideas.